ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಎರಡು ಚರಾಕ್ಷರಗಳು ರೇಖಾತ್ಮಕ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಜೋಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎರಡನೇ ಮೆಥಡು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದನೇ ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನಕ್ಷೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಚರಾಕ್ಷರಗಳಿರುವಂಥ ರೇಖಾತ್ಮಕ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆದೇಶ ವಿಧಾನ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಆದೇಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಚರಾಕ್ಷರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಚರಾಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಮೀಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Till now we have learnt only the graphical method, but we have not drawn any graph. Okay, we have to plot the graph also. Okay, so with that, without of drawing the plot of the graph, we can also recognize what type of lines and how the lines, whether they are intersected, coincident and parallel. Okay, so now apart from this, one more method is there, that is algebraic method. So that the algebraic method, in this there are three types of methods are there. So now first one is a substitution method. In the word itself, substitute. Substitute means replace the other. Okay, in place of that we have to substitute. So in place of that we have to replace the other. Okay, so now the next one is elimination method. So the elimination method, any one variable we have to eliminate. So now the next last one is cross multiplication method. So let me see one by one, we will go into the detail of this. Solve the linear pair of equations by substitution method. So now this, so given that, first of all you will write as given that 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now what we will do, either any one variable you can take. Suppose if you take from the equation 1, just find the x, or you can also find y, or you can take the second equation, just find the x or y. So now here I will take the equation, it is very easy to take. So now what I will do here, from the equation 2, x plus 2y is equal to 3, we will write it as x is equal to 3 minus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to 3, as it is given, we found the x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So as it is on left hand side, when it comes to right hand side, definitely it gets minus. So 3 minus 2y. So now this is equation 3. So now what you will do here, from the second equation we found that x is equal to 3 minus 2y, and this x we have to substitute in a equation 1. So now what is the equation 1 here? 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. So instead of x, in place of x, we will substitute x as 3 minus 2y. So 7, 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. So multiply 7 3s are 21, using distributive property, minus 7 2s are 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. So now 21, anyway two negative numbers here. So now what you have to add? So minus 14 plus 15, so 29y is equal to 2. So now here minus 29y. So when I send this to right hand side, 2 minus 21. So you will get as minus 29 by y minus, how much you will get here? Minus 19. So right hand side anyway you will have a y is equal to 19 by 29. Okay. So now what you have to do, again you have to find the x. So we are finding what at last? We are finding the solutions. We are finding the solutions for the variables. So now by using the substitution method, we got y is equal to 19 by 29. And what we have to find? Again we have to find x. So now either any one equation you can take, either one or first equation or second equation or third equation. Any one you can take and substitute y is equal to 19 by 29. You have to find the value of x. So now here I will take any one equation. So now I will take the second equation. So that is x plus 2y is equal to 3. So now x plus 2 into, so 19 by 29. Instead of y, I will write it as a 19 by 29 is equal to 3. So since here y is equal to 19 by 29. So now what you will get here? 2 into 19, that is nothing but here the 2 is in a numerator. So 19 2s are 38. 38 by 29 you will get 3 is equal to 3. So now x is equal to, when you send to right hand side, 3 minus 38 by 29. So now what you will do here? Just take the LCM, that is LCM is 29. Here 3 into 29 by 29 minus 38 by 29. So x is equal to 3 9s are 20, 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 7. 87 by 29, 38 by 29. So you will get 49 by 29. So now verify this. So how you have to verify? Check. I will take the first equation or a second equation. So I will take second, x plus 2y is equal to 3. So x 49 by 29 plus 2 into y 19 by 29. So now 49 by 29 plus 19 2s are 38 by 29. So you will get here 87 by 29. So now when you cancel this, 29 ones are 29 3s are. Okay. So now you will get 3 here, that is equal to L, that is equal to RHS. So now we got the solution. We checked here and we applied x and y in the second equation, that is x plus 2y is equal to 3. After substituting the values, and we got the answer as 3. So that is equal to RHS. It is equated to RHS. So our answers are correct. So the solution for x and y is, x is 49 by 29 and y is 19 by 29. So we got the solutions as x and y. So now this type of problems you may get for 3 marks or a 2 marks question. Okay, so nothing but here is substitution method. Substitution is nothing but what? You have to find either x or y. Then after finding that x and y, you have to replace, you have to substitute in the second equation. Then you have to find the x and y values. Okay. So this type of questions definitely you will get for 3 marks.
ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಉಳಿದ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಂಚಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಕಳೆದ 2 ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆದೇಶ ನಿಯಮ ಮತ್ತು ಆದೇಶದ ವಿಧಾನ ಮತ್ತು ನಕ್ಷೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ 2 ಚರಾಕ್ಷರಗಳಿರುವ ರೇಖಾತ್ಮಕ ಸಮೀಕರಣಗಳ ಜೋಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಚರಾಕ್ಷರದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ವರ್ಜಿಸುವ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು.